How y'all doing? I'm Uncle Buck, and I'm here with my trusty wiener dog, Wilamena. Now, I'm what you call the alter ego of Robert McCarthy. Now, he is the nerd who wrote this pretty book, and it is full of information. It is dense. It's about strength and conditioning. But before we get strong and conditioned, there's some dangers that you need to know about, especially if you're going to work out in your backyard with a dog. So stand by, and here we go. 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, you're halfway, 7, 7. All right, that exercise model was my niece, Dr. Jess, and her dog, Moose. Now, Moose is a plot hound, P-L-O-T-T. That is the state dog of North Carolina, and I'm going to tell you what, you can see what Moose can do to you. Now, what else can Moose do to you? Oh, watch this. Here we go, push-ups to pike. Now we have Moose. This is Moose coming in. All right, so it's not easy to exercise with dogs, as we can see. That's all right, Moose. I love you too, buddy. Moose is a plot hound. That's it, Moose. We're good. But you got to work out. The people are watching. They're watching. Here we go. So here we go. I come up into a push-up, and I do a push-up, and I do a pike, push-up, pike, 3. I've got dog saliva all over my face, so I'm going to go in and just rest and maybe take a shower.